everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I hope things get better. So on today's episode of Sandy 7 Presents, I bring you FabFitFun Winter of 2021. This is what the box looks like. Isn't she cute? Their boxes are now more biodegradable, I think, or they're used recycled materials. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the FabFitFun. Before we do this, I did buy some extra items, so we'll go through those real fast. I bought these with their add-on sale. These are just gloves. I was like, maybe I can use these on the cats or try to take some of the hair off my sofas or chairs, or you can wash your butt with these. I don't know. So we got some of the gloves. I think these were like $7 or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll list all the prices here as we go along. And I also purchased, so as a yearly member with FabFitFun, you're able to customize your pretty much your entire box. There are some items that you get to pick before those that get quarterly boxes and pay quarterly. You're able to choose whatever you want in your box, and also you can add add-ons. So if there's a group where they list like maybe 5 items, you choose one, you can then purchase the rest of the items for about $15 each, which I did. I bought 2 blankets. They're called Untitled for love, not fur. It says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. So that's this. And it also states that proud supporter of the Humane Society of the United States. So we got that. I got the gray one. And these are gifts, so I can't open them to show you what they really look like. And this is like a blush color, I want to say. Yeah, so blush one. But like I said, they're gifts, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap these and put them under the tree already. So let's get started. Like with all FabFitFun, you get a little booklet, which I did here. That's what the booklet looks like. This one is not going to tell me what choices I was able to make. It's just gonna, I am just gonna have to look it up, but I can't right now. So we're just gonna go with what's in here, and then I will try to list the prices here. If not, I'll put them in the description box. But it does say flash sales. So the add-ons already started today. Cyber Monday starts today. You can shop add-ons before your box ships, which I did. That's how I got the little gloves. And so Cyber Mondays from now until Saturday, December 6th, which today's November 29th. Then there's a theme sale, New Year, New Goodies. And then there's a winter edit sale for the annual members, which is myself. We have that from the 23rd until the 27th. And then the winter edit sale for seasonal members is the 30th through the 30th through the 3rd. And then spring add-ons, annual members would be January 27th, so I can't forget. So that's a little schedule there. If you want to go ahead and take a look at that, and maybe you would decide to become an annual member, you'll be able to make your choices first. So what's in your winter box? It tells me to scan it, but I can't. I am using my phone to record today. I'm sitting in front of my fireplace. I'm sitting in front of my French room. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. So those were my add-ons, the gloves and the 2 blankets. So let's get started in here. Yeah, of course, we got all of these things. It looks like we got some free stickers. No, not free, complimentary stickers. And a $15 off. So if you're watching this video first and you have not subscribed, there is a code right there for you. W18F6OD7, I believe that is. I will also list it, the code in the description box as well. So if you want to save $15, you can save $15 off your first box. Or if you become an annual member, you do save $15 off your annual subscription. And then there was here's another code. And this is HBO Max to redeem your 14-day free trial. I already have HBO Max, but if you want the code, there it is there. Sorry, it's not in, I know it's inverted, so it's probably reading backwards, but there you go. That's the code. Go ahead, take a screenshot of it and put it in front of a mirror, and you know, if you can't read backwards. So I did choose this, which I kind of regret, but there was like nothing else to pick. And I figured if I don't use it, which I probably won't because it's a poncho or poncho, whatever they're called. It's a nice material, but they always make me feel super fat. And then I gained a lot of weight, so it's gonna make me feel real fat. This is 100% acrylic. It's like a one size fits all, it has to. Dry clean only, yeah, that's a really big turnoff. So that's what this looks like. It's actually really soft, except I'm not a poncho person. They just make me feel like really super fat. So we got that. I'll probably give that to my daughter when I go see her in California. The next item is the Sunday Riley high dose retinoid serum. That's what the box looks like. And that's what the serum, I love this serum. I love Sunday Riley. I know they had talked about them at one point that they were like overrated, their reviews or whatever, but I love this stuff. So we got that. Then I also chose, well, I chose these things. I also chose the Ipare milk frother. I actually bought one of these on Amazon for like $7. But I like these. I'll probably keep this one at work. What I do is with protein shakes, the kind I get from Costco, I'll froth them and then I'll add it to my coffee. So it'll look like that, but it's protein. So anyways, yeah, we got that. And it also, Briogeo Scalp Revival, which I have been having some really bad problems with dandruff. If you know anything that can help me with dandruff, please let me know in the comment section. Because my dandruff is bad. I've been drinking water, I've been trying all kinds of stuff, and it's still a no-go. That's what that looks like there. It is charcoal, so it is gray. But what does it smell? I know there's items smell good. No, well, it smells good, but you could tell that it's has like a medicine. It's a tea tree. I smell tea tree oil. Then I also chose these earrings, and I'm really liking them. It comes with a little Kate Spade, little baggie to put your earrings in. These are Kate Spade. Oh, these are so beautiful. Look at that shine. These say that they're worth $68 and 78 Canadian. So if this is all, well, you know, you can get them on sale, but let's just say you paid $68 for these earrings. Your box only cost you $50. So if you only kept the earrings, then this box is worth it for you. You just get the other items complimentary, but it's all a matter of liking the item. And so far, this is my favorite box. Some other boxes we got this year were shit. They were just crap. So, and then the last item I got is like a set of 3 items. So these are 3 items. It was a chocolate maker, like Cocoa Bomb. That's why I got it. So we got the Cocoa Bomb maker, or chocolate cups, or whatever you want to make with them. And then, I don't know how this ended up being a threesome. Is a pedicure file, which I won't use. I'll probably add this to a giveaway because I won't use that. And an eyeliner. Like, what? Those 3 things? And then an eyeliner, which I've been needing. I just ordered some eyeliner too off of Macy's. Let's see. Oh, it's a felt. Oh, but it's actually really thin. I did a really tiny line. That's the line I did there. But that's it, you guys. That's all I got. That's all I got to talk about today. This is a quick video today. But let's recap everything that came in this box. So we get the black eyeliner. And these are all items I chose, by the way. I did not have them choose for me. I chose everything in this box. So if any complaints about this box, it would be my fault, but I have no complaints today. So we got the black eyeliner, this chocolate bomb cocoa maker thingy, but you'll see how many of those I make. This pedicure file, which is actually kind of nice. If, you know, that's you're gonna do that. And then I got the Briogeo Scalp Revival treatment, which I definitely need that. I got these cute earrings from Kate Spade. This, to me, was well worth the $50 in this box. This whole thing was just this. This and the scalp treatment and the Sunday Riley. Then we got the Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. Actually, I really love this stuff. And then we got this I chose the Apari Milk Frother. And the last item for my box is this Pentos. It's really soft. I'm definitely gonna give it to my daughter. She'll use it. She's having a baby. You know, she'll be able to use this while she's sitting there with her baby. And that's it, you guys. And then the 3 items I paid for, I bought the gloves and the 2 blankets from Untitled, and these were 15 bucks a piece, and I believe the gloves were 7. So that's it, you guys. That's everything in my box. I will list everything down in the description box if you want to buy this box yourself. You can do seasonal, or you can do the, you know, if you can and you have the means, go ahead and become an annual member. And that's it. And then my manicure today is the Impress, of course, but it's Christmas season, so we got the nails. Got those nails on today, so let's see how long these last. But thank you all for hanging out with me. Until next time, hasta leaders.